Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't tryna pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
What's up guys, here is SMB, and today's video guys I'm going to show you how to get VirtualDJ Home for free. That cost about $15 in the past months. That about 3 months ago it cost $15, but now it's free. All you're gonna do is go to App Store, then drag VirtualDJ Home. Then after the searching, there is will be available this page and these pictures, and I have already opened it. All you're gonna do is just press get and install app. Hurry up, fuck, I don't have time. If you really want to get this app, just be honest and with the bottom of your heart write this fucking password. Why I set it up this password, why I need this password. Okay, hurry up. And it's almost cost how many, about 31 megabytes, and it's not too big yet. All you're gonna do is wait this fucking App Store. It loads too much time. Waste of time, like my girlfriend. Joke guys, joke. Hurry up, hurry up. And downloading doesn't start. Let's wait a minute.
2 hours later.
Finally, I have downloaded this fucking app. Finally, after 2 hours. That's fucking not good. Wi-Fi works so good. Here you can see it. But this fucking App Store just wasted my 2 hours of time. So let's get started. Let's open this app. If it does that, that's okay. Let's open. Why don't it open? Okay. Oh, finally, our cool app. Oh man, I waited for another thing, but it's cool too. Let's see what is here. Login. I need a login. You need a verification. Website verification. Identification. Password. Login. Welcome to VirtualDJ. If you have a VirtualDJ account, if you don't have, all you're gonna do is just go to this blue shit and click this. Then you're gonna be redirected to the new website where we're gonna do login to a DJ account. How I understand. Oh, that not bad comments just pop out. So here we're gonna do. Let's okay. So first email jpay email confirmation code. Okay, change password. Choose a full nickname. I need a nick. Enter your first name. Enter your name. Oh, okay. Enter Begzad. Am I right? Yes. Ergashev. Begzad Ergashev. And then choose your forum nickname. The official. The official. Am I right? Begzad Ergashev. The official Begzad Ergashev. Okay, select your country. United States, US. That's all. Then create confirmation. Okay, get that confirmation. A confirmation and which email? Okay. Let's check my box. Gmail. Then we're gonna wait a bit, guys. About 1 minute. So check out my social. All the signs step to turn on. Turn on, man. Why you turned on my notifications? Start send draft all spam. All inboxes. Inbox. So Reddit from Rob from VidIQ. Trev up. Okay, here I got the Gmail from VirtualDJ confirmation code. You just have to, all you're gonna is do, see here would be the, where is, you're welcome to the VirtualDJ community, and here is the confirmation code 6436620. Okay, here is 6436620. Then create. From the choose unique from nickname is not already, that is not already used by, why? Someone is using this nickname, what the fuck? This is my nickname, this is copyrighting. He's copyrighting. Okay, the official Begzat Ergash, yes, the official Begzat Ergash. Official, let's without the, or let's Begzat the Savage. Make it Begzat the Savage. Okay, Begzat the Savage. That's so then create this fucking account finally. Thank God, we finally created account. Let me change a bit light. Oh, that's better. So now I created, then email, then Begzat first name, save exchange United States. Year 2003. Where are you? 2003. Okay. Then where is my fucking birthday date? I had this day, March, and day 7th. Okay, no. Save change, man. Just save change. Okay. And now let's go back to our DJ, then log in as Begzat the Savage. Password. And we just have to write that password, what we added in creating account. Begzat here. That's secret. Just login. Then we log in and we successfully created and installed our DJ Pro app. If you liked this video, please guys leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I do one video in 1 month because I have another channel in which I do vlogs, wines and other cool stuff. So check out that one too with USMB. See you in next video.